Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. Hello, Emily. How are you today?
I'm great, Paul. So happy to be here. And you?
I'm very happy too. Ready for a new episode.
Me too. It's always so good to talk to our listeners.
Yes, it is. A big hello to everyone listening.
Before we start, please remember to subscribe to our channel.
Yes, and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
And share with your friends. Okay, so what is our topic today, Paul?
Today we have a very important topic. It's tell me about yourself.
Ah, yes. This is a very common question in English.
Exactly. In a new class, a new job, people ask this.
It can be a little scary sometimes, but don't worry, we are here to help.
That's right. We will make it easy and fun.
So let's start. Paul, tell me about yourself.
Okay. Me first. My name is Paul. I am a teacher.
A teacher. That's nice. What do you teach?
I teach history. I love history. Old things are so interesting.
Wow, history. So you like books?
Yes, I do. I love books. I have many books at home.
That's so cool. And what else? What do you like to do?
I like to walk in the park. The park is beautiful.
Oh, I like the park too. It's very relaxing.
Yes, very relaxing. And I like to drink coffee. A big cup of coffee.
A good cup of coffee is the best. I love coffee too.
See? We have something in common. Coffee buddies.
Yes. So, you are Paul, a history teacher. You like books, the park, and coffee.
Yes, exactly. That's a good summary. Good job.
Thank you. Now it is your turn to ask me.
Of course. Emily, tell me about yourself.
Okay. My name is Emily. I am a nurse.
A nurse? Wow, that is a very important job.
Aw, thank you, Paul. Yes, I like my job. I love to help people.
That's wonderful. Helping people is the best thing.
I think so too. It makes me happy.
So what do you like to do, Emily, when you are not working?
I like to listen to music. Music makes me dance.
That's great. What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. It's happy and fun.
Pop music is great for dancing. I agree. What else?
I also like to cook. I'm not a great cook, but I try.
Oh, that's a nice hobby. What do you like to cook?
I like to make pasta. Pasta is easy and yummy.
Pasta is delicious. My favorite.
So, I am Emily. I am a nurse. I like music and cooking.
That's a perfect introduction. Very clear and simple.
See? It's not so hard. Just simple sentences.
Exactly. Let's talk more. What is your favorite color, Emily?
Ooh, a good question. My favorite color is blue, like the sky.
Blue is a beautiful color. Very calm.
Yes. And what is your favorite color, Paul?
My favorite color is green, like the trees in the park.
Ah, green is a lovely color. Very fresh.
Yes. So, we know our names, our jobs, and our favorite colors.
This is going well. What about animals? Do you like animals, Paul?
I love animals. I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
A cat. I love cats. They are so cute and funny. Is Luna big or small?
She is small and very fluffy. She is black and white.
Aw, that's so sweet. I don't have a pet now, but I like dogs a lot.
Dogs are great too. Very friendly.
Yes, very friendly and full of energy.
So, you are a dog person and I am a cat person.
It seems so. It's fun to learn about each other.
It is. This is what a conversation is. Asking simple questions.
And giving simple answers. Let's think. What else can we talk about?
What about food? We talked about pasta and coffee.
Oh, yes. Food is a great topic. What is your favorite food, Paul, besides pasta?
That's a hard question. I love pizza.
Pizza. Everybody loves pizza. What kind of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza. It's a classic.
It is. I like it too. But my favorite food is chocolate cake.
Oh, chocolate cake is amazing. A great choice.
Right? It's so good. For dessert or any time.
I agree. Any time is a good time for cake. This is making me hungry.
Me too. Okay, let's change the topic. Let's talk about our podcast.
Good idea. Why are we here at Mr. English Channel?
Well, I am here because I love languages and I love to teach.
Me too. As a teacher, I love to see people learn.
Yes, and English is so important. It's a universal language.
It is. You can talk to people from all over the world.
And it helps people get good jobs and achieve their dreams.
Exactly. We want to help people with their dreams. That's why we are here.
It feels good to help. My job is helping people feel better, and this podcast is helping people learn. It makes my heart happy.
I feel the same way. In my history class, I help students learn about the past. Here, we help people build a future.
Wow, Paul, that was beautiful.
Well, it's true. Learning English opens so many doors.
It does. And we want to make it easy. No stress.
No stress at all. Just fun and friendly conversation.
Like we are doing now. Just talking. Like friends.
Yes, you don't need big words. Just simple words are okay.
That's a very important tip. Start simple. You can say, I am a nurse. It's perfect.
Or, I am a teacher. It's clear and correct.
You can say, I like blue.
And I like green. Simple is good.
Yes, the most important thing is to communicate, to connect with another person.
That's the goal. Let's practice more. Imagine we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello, my name is Paul. What is your name?
Hello, Paul. My name is Emily. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emily. What do you do?
I am a nurse. And you?
I am a history teacher.
Oh, that's interesting.
Thank you. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I love to help people. Do you like your job?
Yes, I love it. I like to teach.
That was great. A perfect little conversation.
See? Easy. And we learned about each other.
We did. And for our listeners, you can do this too.
Yes, you can practice with a friend or in front of a mirror.
That's a great idea, Paul. Talking to yourself in the mirror is very helpful.
It is. You can see your expression and feel more confident.
Confidence is so important. Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Oh, yes, mistakes are normal. Everyone makes mistakes.
I make mistakes. Paul makes mistakes. It's okay.
It is part of learning. The important thing is to try.
Just try to speak a little every day. 5 minutes, 10 minutes.
Hello. How are you? My name is... It all helps.
Let's review what we talked about. So, to tell someone about yourself,
You can start with your name. My name is Paul.
then your job. I am a nurse.
You can talk about things you like. I like books.
I like music. Or your favorite color. My favorite color is blue.
You can talk about your pets. I have a cat.
Or your favorite food. My favorite food is chocolate cake.
All very simple and useful sentences.
And if you want to know about the other person, you just ask a question.
Right. What is your name? What do you do?
What do you like? What is your favorite color?
Questions are the key to a good conversation.
It shows you are interested in the other person.
And it keeps the conversation going.
It's like a game. I say something, then you say something.
A very fun game. What about family? We didn't talk about family.
Oh, good point. That's another good topic for tell me about yourself.
It can be very simple. For example, I have one sister.
That's a good sentence. I have 2 brothers.
See, we are learning more. I have a sister, and you have 2 brothers.
Are they older or younger?
My sister is younger than me. And your brothers?
One is older and one is younger. I am in the middle.
The middle child. So we have name, job, likes, favorites, pets, and family.
That is a lot of information. You can have a great conversation with just that.
You really can. And it's all A1 level. Very beginner friendly.
Our goal is to make English accessible for everyone.
Everyone can learn. You just need to start.
And this episode is a great place to start. Practice introducing yourself.
Yes. Think about it now. What is your name? What is your job?
What do you like? You can write it down.
Writing is good practice too. It helps you remember.
And then you can say it out loud.
It might feel strange at first, but it works.
It really does. Practice makes perfect.
Well, maybe not perfect, but it makes you better.
Yes, better and more confident. That's the key.
I think our listeners have a lot of good information now to introduce themselves.
I think so too. We've covered the basics in a simple, friendly way.
And we had fun doing it. I learned more about you, Emily.
And I learned more about you, Paul. I didn't know you had a sister.
And I didn't know you had two brothers and a love for chocolate cake.
The most important information.
Absolutely. Well, I think we are getting near the end of our episode.
Oh, time flies when you're having fun.
It really does. I had a great time today.
Me too. It was a wonderful conversation.
And we hope it was helpful for all of you listening at home.
We hope you feel more ready to say, "Hello, let me tell you about myself."
That's the spirit. Be brave, be confident.
And keep practicing. Every little bit helps.
Before we go, we want to ask you for a small favor.
Yes, if you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Channel.
And give us a thumbs up, a like. It tells us you enjoy our work.
Please also share this podcast with your friends, your family, anyone who wants to learn English.
And for today's comment, we have a special task for you.
Yes, we want you to practice. Go to the comment section below.
And tell us about yourself.
It doesn't have to be long, just 1 or 2 sentences. My name is, I like, or I am from, I like.
We would love to read your introductions and get to know our listeners.
Yes, we will read every comment. It will be so much fun.
Don't be shy. It's a safe place to practice.
Exactly. Thank you all so much for listening today.
It was a pleasure to be here with you. Keep learning and stay motivated.
You can do it. Until next time, bye.
Bye, everyone. Take care.